It's been a fat minute. Clear coat my third brake light today cause why not? Unfortunately, I sneezed during the process, so it's now clear coat COVID-19 edition.
2319! We have a 2319!
First step is to have a man help you because I like to support the patriarchy. Here's what you'll need. In my house, we call this Uncle Jim's fun time. Dusty sandpaper you found off the floor, or a sweatshop worker that already has both. Get a sanding disc, a sanding block, and 2 + 2 = 4. Make sure to hydrate. This is a tedious process. For those of you that are already bored, put on some videos, but because I'm a woman, I find entertainment in imagining what World War II would have been like. Brandon Herrera for ATF. Now put on your best puppy dog eyes and ask a man to fix what you messed up.
This is the paint I have every morning.
You want to thoroughly shake this clear coat, and when I say shake, I mean shake it. Spray paint hack. Go in a poorly ventilated garage and shut all the doors. This will keep bugs out of your project.
But not out of your skin.
Inhaling the paint as it outgases will reduce drying time, and it makes you feel funny. Once it's dry, spray it again, and you're basically done, I guess.
Editor, cut that out. Editor, cut the whole video out. Women, alright? Can't do anything right. Gotta have a man fix it and then cut it out of the video so no one knows.